This is the VTOMAN V10 3500 amp jump starter. It has capacity to start a 9.5 liter gas engine or a 7.5 liter diesel engine. Let's look in here and see what's in there. Comes in a nice hard shell carrying case. The user manual. Here's the units. There's a power button right here. Hold it on. We're at full charge. On this end, we've got the USB-C in and out, USB-A 2.4 amp. I don't know what this blue USB is for. It says 5, 9, 12 volt. I don't understand that one. Must be something European or something. And the flashlight, and the flashlight is turned on by holding the button and pressing the button again makes it flash. One more time makes it flash low. One more time turns it off. And on this side there's the 15 volt 10 amp out for plugging in 12 volt accessories. Plug into there. And on the other side, the picture of a car is where the dongle plugs in. Look to see what else is in there. You've got a USB-A to USB-C cord for charging USB-C devices. We've got a USB-C to USB-C cord for connecting USB-C devices straight to USB-C. We've got our jump starting dongle. It's flat on the one side of this port and round on the other. So there's the flat. So we stick it right in there. Unit's full power. It's got a boost button, but I'm sure it has to be hooked up to a car to work right. So there it is. You connect it to your battery. You push the boost button right here and start the car. Let's go try it out. Our Hyundai is super dead. As usual, it's been dead for months. I have the V10 already set up. I just need to push this button, turn it on, push this button that says boost. Green light. I tried to start it and it didn't start, so I figure it's bad connection. At full power. Good connection, full power, boost. Success! It's another good one for VTOMAN. The link is in the description.